And yes, I do spend too much time sitting in bed, as you can probably tell from my video backdrops. I'm getting fat. Check this dedication. Mum is sick, but she's still doing all the house chores. It's dedication, Mum. Work just called and asked if I could actually take a shift today. Another one, but I couldn't because I've got assessments to do. And guess who arrived? My sister and my niece, Willow. Say hello, Willow. Sophie, Rachel. This is the fat family. Update, doing an assessment, and it's taken me 3 hours to get one paper that I want so I can make a debate off it and find other articles. It's not been a good day. Just heading up the road to play with this bad boy. Brother made it from scratch and gave it to me. Now I don't know how well this is going to work because I was meant to charge it like overnight, but I only charged it for a few hours, so let's see how it goes, eh? Well, I only lasted about 3 minutes, but that was 3 minutes of manly awesomeness. No, look at that sunset with all that beautiful pinkish pollution. Shout out to Stephanie, who I've just got a call from, and she's not having a particularly good night. She got yelled at one of her customers at the restaurant, and for almost no reason at all, and so now she's quite down. So I hope you feel better, Stephanie. And to that woman, take whatever it is that's stuck all the way up your ass and wake up to the real world. Anyway, good night.